2022 F150. This is the platinum edition, so there's huge stitching right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the top of the panel back, yank out the seal. There's a, I believe, a 6 millimeter bolt right here. We got to take this off as well. So I'm going to start right here. Get your gasket stick. I'm just twisting this way. Go around the perimeter, that, and then just pull gingerly. That right there. This is a 7 millimeter bolt, excuse me. Taking that bolt right here is going to release the tension so that when you peel this back, you can yank out the seal. And when you put it back in, it won't be difficult. Get your hook tool, pull up, and then just pull this out. Careful with this right here, it's really soft, so you don't want to pull too hard. Get your door panel cover, whatever you're going to use, and slide it behind here, that, and all the way here. That, there you go. Now all the stitching is all protected.